Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. If you are into full-time cryptocurrency trading / investing, then you will need an extra security for your cryptocurrencies. Alright, so in this video I'm going to tell you about SafePal cryptocurrency hardware wallet, which is easily available on safepal.com. The original price of this wallet is $70, but if you go through my promo code, you will get flash $40 off. This wallet price is only $30 if you go through my promo code. Promo code is mentioned on the display as well as you will get in the video's description. Before we start this topic, make sure to understand the different facts, different features, different securities in between online and software wallet. Hardware wallet versus software wallet. Hardware wallet security, very low exposure to hacks, protection from malware. This is the main and important steps in security. If you have low exposure to hacks and protection from the malware, then your wallet is safe. Your seed phrases are safe, which are generated from the wallet. If you go through this software wallet, private keys stored offline, higher exposure to hack and susceptible to malware. Security is very low as compared to the hardware wallet. Use case, less convenient pet device. It might be dead after some time. If you use for some years, then this device might dead. Best for long-term storage of large amount. If you have good amount of capital, I will suggest you to use hardware cryptocurrency wallet in terms of extra security. If you compare with the software wallet, very convenient, free, better for regular transaction. If your transactions are less and regularly if you want to do the transaction, then software wallet might be considered. But if you have good amount of capital and if you want to go through the cryptocurrencies for the long term, then hardware wallet is recommended for you. If you want to know which types of cryptocurrency software wallets are available, simply go to Chrome Web Store, or you can use the Play Store on Android or App Store on Apple devices. Simply search keyword crypto wallets and you will get the bunch of options for the online wallets. Okay, now in this episode we are going to take a closer look on SafePal wallet, how SafePal is going to give you $40 off using my promo code, and you can have a easy installation steps. Complete installation will be done in this episode. This is the official website, guys, www.safepal.com. Afterwards you can choose X1 device and use my promo code. Promo code is mentioned on the display as well as you can go through the description information. I hope you guys are understood how you can get discount from my code. Now let's get started with unboxing. This is the SafePal X1, always secure and protected. Let's take a look what you will get inside the box. This is the manual card. Okay, here you can read the all instructions regarding the SafePal wallet, and here we go. Afterwards you will get this branding stickers and the display cleaner. This is the display cleaner where you can use to clean your display, and afterwards the main device, which is the SafePal X1. Inside this you will also get this charging cable. Use only device which has 5 volt in order to avoid any type of damages. Okay, do not connect directly to the laptop in order to charging. Use your cable with the 5 volt mobile charger. Once you receive this device, make sure to connect your charging first. Once your device is charged, simply click on this button. Here we go, device is getting started. Now let's understand step by step process how we can get started with the device. You can use this 5790 button for the navigation purpose, 0 for the down and 5 for the upper side. If you want to go to the left side, you can use the 7. If you want to go to the right side, you can use the 9 option. Okay, once you are okay with the language selection, simply click on the OK button. Here is the OK button. Please open the link below, follow the guide to activate this device. Okay, just click on this OK button. Now I'm going to open this link in order to connect my next device. or simply you can search on device SafePal from your app store if you're using iPhone, or if you're using Android then you can go through the Android application. Okay, simply click on this kit button. Okay, wallet is successfully installed. Now you have the different options like create new wallet, add existing wallet, connect hardware wallet. From this we are choosing to connect hardware wallet. Now you can create your 6-digit password in order to set up the next step. Once you are done with that, simply go through the next step. You can also enable the Face ID for the more security. Okay, SafePal X1. The next option is the connect SafePal X1. Okay, allow. Next. Now SafePal is ready to connect. Here you can check the pair code. You can simply click on the pair and go to the OK button. Confirm the activation on your SafePal app. Here you can check now connection is successful. Here you can check connection is successful and my device is ready to use. Now next step is activate the wallet. Now both authentication is successfully connected. Now you can check here and wallet device is also showing that connection is successful. Okay, now next step is add your wallet. Simply click on the device and add your wallet. Already done. Simply okay. Now next important step is that create new wallet or restore your old wallet. Create new wallet or record the wallet. Simply I am clicking the option create new wallet. Create now. Now different options are available, 24, 12 or 18. Out of this I am going through 12 keys and simply pressing the OK. Now I have to write down these all phrases on the card which has provided by the SafePal. Okay, let me check that card and write down these all phrases. Okay, this sheet is provided by the SafePal. In order to write down your phrases of wallet, I will write down the complete phrases on this paper. Make sure to write these all words in serial. This is the test wallet, that's why I'm showing the keys. When you create your keys, make sure to hide it from everywhere. Keys are successfully mentioned on this page. Okay, once you are done with that, simply click on the verify. Okay, now I have to verify the word one, which is build, second is liquid, third is output. Buttons are so smooth guys, you can easily click this. Now please keep the phrases safe. This is the demonstration wallet, that's why I'm showing the keys and complete setup with you. When you create your wallet, make sure to hide these keys from everyone. Do not share these keys. Simply click on OK. Now I have to set up the 6 to 12 digit pin code on this device. Please wait 10 to 15 seconds in order to set up my wallet. Now I'm going to write down the wallet name. I am renaming this wallet with test. Okay, afterwards simply click on the OK. Confirm test the wallet name. Okay, your wallet is ready to use. Here is the final message from the device. Okay, now you can check the different options like asset. Now you can check the entire wallet, how you can get access. Okay, once you go on the hardware wallet, here are the different options with you. Wallet name, device name, afterward asset, setting, all options are available on this device. Now let's find out which options are available in the settings tab. Simply go on the setting. Passphrase option is there, send verification, sleep time, auto off. These are okay for me, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. You can also change the pin, language, brightness, multiple addresses and so on. Okay, now let's take a look on the next asset tab. Here are the different options with you: BTC, Ethereum, BNB, BEP20, Ton, Polygon, TRX, ETH, Sol, with different network option. If you want to deposit Bitcoin from any different sources, simply click on the asset, afterwards the asset with the network. Make sure you are using correct network where you are going to transfer your wallet points. Simply click on the OK. You have multiple network option in BTC, that is legacy, segwit, native segwit and taproot. Right now I'm choosing legacy, and this is the address or the legacy. You can get the same options on your device also. Address is same on device as well as on my application. Okay, you can verify these both options, afterwards copy this address and send from the different wallet. Simple process of setting up your wallet and use the assets in terms of deposit. I hope you guys are understood how you can easily set up your SafePal wallet with the application. Whenever you are transferring funds from the application to the different platform, you have to give the access on the hardware device. The benefits of this hardware device is your keys are safe. You have successfully saved your key phrases offline without interacting with the internet. This is the most important advantage with this device. Also, you can get connected with the DeFi, where you can directly use any platform link in order to get access with the DeFi. NFTs are there. Okay, you have multiple options with the application. With this way, you can set up your wallet, you can create your new wallet or restore your previous wallet with this SafePal X1. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hopefully you guys understood how you can get the $40 off from my side, as well as the complete setup, how you can get started with the SafePal X1. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video. Bye.